Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're switching to the Brave browser and want to bring your bookmarks with you, you don't have to start from scratch. In this full guide, I'll show you how to import bookmarks into Brave step by step in 2026. First, open Brave and go to the Settings menu from the top right. Next, scroll down and find the Import Bookmarks and Settings option. Now select the browser you want to import from, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Choose what you want to import. Make sure bookmarks are checked, and you can also include history or saved passwords. Click Import and wait a few seconds. Your bookmarks will be copied into Brave. If your browser isn't listed, you can import using an HTML file. Export bookmarks from your old browser first. Then choose Import from HTML file in Brave and select your saved file. Now open your Bookmarks Manager and confirm everything is there. Take a moment to organize your bookmarks into folders. It makes everything easier to find. If you don't see your bookmarks, enable the Bookmarks bar from Settings. And that's it. Now your bookmarks are fully imported into Brave, ready to use just like before.